Because we're talking sales and marketing, I'm actually going to give a last word for each, if that's okay, because I think Perfect. They both need different last words. So for marketing, I would say give your team freedom to be creative. I talk to way too many marketing people that don't ever get to think creatively. They're too busy processing spreadsheets and managing ads and looking at stats and creating reports for their boards. It's like, when was the last time we were just allowed to like sit there and have fun thinking and being creative? So give your marketing team room and space and encouragement to just have fun being creative. I think that would make a huge difference. And for sales, we kind of touched on this earlier, but give your sales team something to be proud of, right? Don't expect your sales team to function at their best. I mean, I get it. We've got sales meetings and we've got trainings and we've got scripts and we've got all these things that will help them with the nuts and bolts of sales. But if they're looking at what other people have and they wish that they looked like that and that the company that they were representing looked like that, they're just not going to be as effective as they could be. So give your sales team something to be proud of. I think that's really important.